This week, I start with some sad news. My mate, my mentor, and teacher to millions, Scott Allen, passed away this past week. Through his teaching using online courses, workshops, conference talks, books, and articles, Scott reached a very broad audience, including here on A Cloud Guru. He was known for his storytelling, his ability to make the complex simple, and for getting millions of developers using .NET, JavaScript, and of course, Azure. The loss of Scott is a blow to the whole teaching industry. Our thoughts are with all of his friends and family, and he will continue to impact us through his teaching. Love you, mate. This week on the show, we finally have some real Azure news. Azure Private Link is available for more services, Azure gets a new privacy certification, and I go through a real-world use case of using Azure to solve big data issues. You're watching Azure This Week, a weekly show made weekly every week. Announced in September 2019, Azure Private Link is a secure and scalable way for Azure customers to consume Azure services, Microsoft Partner Services, or their own services privately from their Azure Virtual Network or VNet. Once a connection is established, all data that flows between the service provider and service consumer is isolated from the internet and stays on the Microsoft network. Currently supporting certain PaaS services such as Azure Storage, Azure Cosmos DB, and SQL Database, 3 new services were added in preview this week. Azure Database for PostgreSQL, Azure Database for MySQL, and Azure Database for MariaDB can now be used with Azure Private Link. So try it out today with a free Azure account. This week, Azure achieved the ISO IEC 27701 certification for privacy standards. The full name is the International Standard ISO IEC 27701 Privacy Information Management System, but let's just call it PIMS. This certification not only helps compliance with GDPR and the new CCPA, which is in California, but it is also a significant step in achieving compliance for your whole organization that may only be partially on Azure. It is a step towards getting the trust of your consumers and users in your platform when it comes to privacy compliance. Last week, I covered how Azure is supporting global initiatives to make the world a better place using artificial intelligence. So this week, I thought it would be interesting to look at a company that is using big data to also make the world a little bit better. ZenCity helps local governments in the US make data-driven decisions to provide better services to their residents. They take data from a variety of sources, social media, maintenance requests, 311 calls, online customer conversations, news websites, and so much more, and then use Azure AI solutions to analyze it. The ZenCity platform is built on Azure using Azure Cognitive Services, Microsoft Translator, Azure Machine Learning, and Azure Kubernetes Services. So how are you excited about 2020? Have you got plans to get more into a specific area? Let me know in the comments below or use our dedicated forum on the A Cloud Guru platform. As we say on the A Cloud Guru team, when the massive amounts of data from the research for the show gets overwhelming, seek and you shall cloud. So see you next week and keep learning those cloud skills, Cloud Gurus.